Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your LinkedIn certifications with Salesforce Trailhead, complete guide step by step clearly. To back up your LinkedIn certifications with Salesforce Trailhead, start by accessing your LinkedIn profile. Log into your LinkedIn account. Navigate to the Me icon at the top of your LinkedIn homepage. Select View Profile from the drop-down menu. Scroll down to the Licenses and Certifications section on your profile. Click on the plus sign icon to add a new certification. In the certification name field, enter the name of your certification. Fill in the issuer field with Salesforce. Set the issue date to the date you obtained your certification. If applicable, enter an expiration date. To add a credential ID, enter the unique identifier provided by Salesforce. Add a URL linking directly to your certification, if available. Once all fields are completed, click Save to add your certification to your profile. Next, log into your Salesforce Trailhead account. Navigate to the Trails section on the Trailhead homepage. Locate the certification you want to back up. Click on the certification to view its details. Take note of the completion date and any relevant information. If you have multiple certifications, repeat this process for each one. Now, return to your LinkedIn profile. Repeat the steps to add any additional certifications. Review your licenses and certifications section to ensure everything is accurate. To confirm that your backups are complete, check that each certification displays correctly on LinkedIn. Consider keeping a personal record of your certifications outside of LinkedIn. This can be useful for future references and additional backups. Periodically check and update your profiles as you earn new certifications. This will ensure your LinkedIn profile remains current and reflective of your qualifications. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.